Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we've got our 2016 Kia Optima here, and we're going to go over how you would remove and replace this in case something's broken inside here or the whole mirror is broken off, but you want to be able to remove that and put it back on. This is a very simple one because you don't actually have to take off the whole door panel. You got to pop this cover off right here. So we just go ahead and pop this cover off. Use a good non-marring plastic removal tool and slide it in there and pull the release tabs. Just kind of, and you'll just pop it off. These are the clips that are holding it on, as well as that little clip there. Okay, and we set that aside. Then we've got 3 bolts here to undo. Also, we can undo the electric right there without having to do anything else. Just take a good little screwdriver and just squeeze and pull it up. So you've undid the electrics, and undo these 3 number 10 bolts. So right now the only thing holding this mirror in place is this, and the easiest way I've found is you just unscrew it, hold the mirror with your other hand so it doesn't fall completely down to the ground. So we unscrew this little clip, we set that to the side, and then you can pull the whole mirror off. And when you've got your new one, this clip might already be on there, but if not, you've got a new one, you've replaced this because it's been broken or not, you're just going to go ahead, put that clip back in there. As you go ahead and tighten it up, and you see how that is? So you tighten that up and you see that this is like a spring clip. So to make it easy for you to put it on, you run your electric back through here, you line that little white clip up at the hole there and just snap it into place, and then it'll hold the mirror in place so it won't fall to the ground. Go ahead and hook your electric back up. Make sure it makes that good snap noise. It's all hooked up, and then just go ahead and put your 3 bolts back in, size number 10s. So that's all tight. Then just go ahead and take this piece, line it all up, and just snap it into place. And that is how you would replace your side mirror on your 2016 Kia Optima. I'd like to thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.